Hi everybody, how are you? Hope the Christmas was good and you had a great time with your family and friends. So, this is my last work for this year. I made this one on paper. The design is from Stephen Jones. He gave me permission to use it. And this pure prayer goes specially for him, wishing him a fast recovery. I call this one pure prayer for two reasons. One, it's an angel, it has angel wings, and the other one, it's a little girl. And so, in my opinion, there is nothing more pure than our children, our little ones, that we must protect at all costs. Let them dream, let them grow at their own speed, um, because they are pure souls and they should grow as fast as they want to. And let them dream. If you don't dream, you cannot do amazing things. And so this was a lot of fun to do. It was a long time since I did something on paper. I used a watercolor paper, 300 grams for this, and a temperature between 3 and 5. It has a lot of detail. I changed some things along the way, some shadows and details from the original design, trying to make it more my style maybe. And I hope you like it. I want also to wish you all a great 2020. I hope you are able to fulfill your dreams and expectations for the new year. I hope I can too. There will be a lot of things changing in my life. This year was also a year of change for me. And I hope you have a great year with health for you and your family. And don't forget to dream. So, this prayer is going also for all of you that have supported me for all this time and like my work and even shared with me some details of your life, of your personal experience, helped me grow and become a better person. And we could share those experiences together and learn also together. And I hope we are still here in the next year to learn together, keep learning together, and share these experiences. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a wonderful 2020.